You may have heard of many text-to-video AI tools that allow you to create text-to-animation videos, but all of them often face two problems. With which you can make your own animation video, but after the credits are over you have to subscribe to the same AI tool, only then you can make your own animation video with it. Another problem is that you need to use this tool. You don't have to pay any money for it, but the quality of the video you make with it is very useless. But in today's video I am going to tell you about such a text-to-video AI tool, from which you can generate text-to-video animation in HD quality for free. The name of this AI tool is Moon Valley, which is completely free. So let's start. You have to open Google Chrome and write here Moon Valley AI. First, you have to open the website and click on Try Beta. Here I will tell you one thing. To use it, you must have a Discord account. If you have no account, then create one. It just takes 2 minutes. After that you have to click on Continue to Discord, and like this your Discord will open and you will get an interface like this. Then you have to click on Join Moon Valley. Here it is asking you where did you hear about us, then you have to click on YouTube and click Next. Now here you have to click Yes and click Next. If you want to, if its notification appears, then you have to click on Yes. Otherwise you have to click on No and go to Next. Here it is asking you that you are an expert in writing prompts. If so, I will click on Next, and then click on Finish, and an interface like this will appear in front of you. This is Moon Valley's Discord server which you have joined. Here you have a little lower ego, and here you are seeing 5 or 6 options, New Moon 1, New Moon 2, like this, so you have to click on any one. Now you will see something like this interface here. You have to type the prompt. How do you write the prompt? If you want to write /create, it will appear in front of you. You have to click on it. Here you have to type your prompt. Now here I have written delivery boy in blue uniform riding a bicycle under heavy rain. After that you have to choose the style. Here I do the 3D animation, and then there is duration, so it is saying that if you want to make a short video then it will take you 2 to 5 minutes. If you are going to make a medium, then it will take 4 to 8 minutes, and if you are going to make a long one, then it may take 8 to 12 minutes. We are doing it. We will notify you when it is ready. This is the prompt ID, so now we wait a little bit. You can watch our video is ready, then we play it and watch it. Great, so from here you can download it. You can watch our video has been downloaded here. Friends, here let me tell you that there are many people in the same server, those who are making their own animation videos. If your video does not appear in front of you, then you have to scroll up or down to see it. And if you want to click on the mentions, then your video will be seen here with your name. You can also download it from here. Now we generate something else. Write /create and type the prompt here. Choose the style. We will choose the duration and enter it. Wait a little. You can do this work easily from your mobile phone. This video of ours is also ready. I will show it by playing it on full screen. I think it is more amazing, so this was the video. I hope you like it. If you like it, please like the video. If you are first time on my channel, then subscribe to watch more interesting videos like this. Bye bye.